Elon Musk just flipped the entire EV industry on its head. What seemed like another flashy tech announcement quickly turned into a full-blown warning shot to every automaker on Earth. This isn't just about a better battery or a sleeker design. Tesla's new engine may have just made every other electric car obsolete. Faster, lighter, smarter, and terrifyingly efficient. Is this the moment Tesla becomes unstoppable? Can other brands survive what's coming? Or is this the beginning of the end for the rest of the EV industry? Stick with us as we unpack the new engine, the insane innovation behind it, and the ripple effects it's already triggering across the auto world. Hashtag from startup dream to global threat. In a world rapidly shifting toward clean energy, electric vehicles, EVs, have gone from niche novelties to market-shaping juggernauts. And leading that charge is none other than Tesla. While today it's hard to imagine the EV landscape without the brand, Tesla's journey started in 2003 with little fanfare. Back then, the idea of mass-producing electric cars was still seen as far-fetched. Founders Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning believed EVs could rival gasoline-powered cars, but the auto industry dismissed the idea as unrealistic. Their early ambitions were bold, but it wasn't until 2004, when Elon Musk joined as an investor, that Tesla's trajectory shifted. Musk wasn't just another financier. He had a vision that would reshape not only the company, but the entire automotive industry. At the time of his investment, Musk became Tesla's largest shareholder and took the role of chairman of the board. This gave him a powerful position to influence the company's direction. With Musk's capital and ambition, Tesla launched the Roadster in 2008, its first all-electric performance car. Though it was built on a Lotus chassis and targeted a niche market, the Roadster proved something no EV had before. Electric cars could be fast, sleek, and desirable. This one marked Tesla's entrance onto the global automotive stage. However, by the end of that year, the original founders had stepped away, and Musk assumed full control of Tesla, transforming it from a hopeful startup into a symbol of disruption. Innovative and audacious from that moment on, his leadership at Tesla sought not only to develop electric automobiles, but also to change the entire manufacturing paradigm. The proper breakthrough for the firm arrived with the 2012 debut of the Model S, a luxury sedan with state-of-the-art technology, over-the-air updates, and performance benchmarks for the whole industry. The Model S was not merely a car, it was an icon. The more affordable Model 3 followed next, then the luxurious Model X SUV and the futuristic Cybertruck, each cementing Tesla's status as an innovator. But behind the scenes was the company's steady engineering and software-first approach, giving it an edge over its rivals. Starting from 2024, Tesla has grown to be the world leader in electric vehicle sales, with millions of units sold in more than 50 countries. Other traditional automakers were still rolling out their first-generation EVs, so Tesla was already years ahead with battery efficiency, self-driving software, and a large manufacturing operation. Many held that the company had peaked and was resting on its laurels of being the leader. But that was not it. Instead of retreating, Tesla announced what could be its boldest step: a radical new motor design that could shift the power paradigm permanently in EV land. Musk unveiled Tesla's next-generation electric motor wrapped in carbon during a media-intensive announcement. He declared it to be the most efficient, powerful, compact, and beautiful electric motor Tesla has ever built. It is a rethink of the electric powertrain, so this was much more than just an upgrade. It is equipped with everything for future models like the Roadster 2.0, and, without doubt, this motor has a design that can prove how Tesla is not just ahead of the curve. It wants to define it. It went beyond 20,000 RPM and under 2 seconds 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration. It was more than impressive talking about the industry. Just when the competition almost caught up with the older Teslas, this made everybody scramble out again. So why does this matter? Because Tesla is no longer simply a car manufacturer. It is an agent of technology. The shaky startup had a fanciful dream. Now it is right up there among the most influential actors in the clean energy revolution. From being ridiculed and disparaged in its early days, it has become a global threat to the legacy manufacturers. Tesla has successfully shown that sometimes disruptive thinking, daring leadership, and tireless innovation can turn everything around. And with the latest motor tech making the rounds, let's reset the EV race again. This time, Tesla isn't just in front of the pack. It's rewriting the entire playbook. Just when other brands were catching up, Tesla pulled off its boldest move yet. And it's not just fast, it's revolutionary. Tesla's latest engineering marvel isn't just a new powertrain. It's a masterclass in EV innovation. At the heart of this breakthrough lies the company's most advanced electric motor yet, the carbon-wrapped plaid motor. Built for speed, efficiency, and endurance, this motor stands apart as the most powerful and compact unit Tesla has ever produced. What makes it special isn't just raw numbers. It's the radical design of its core component, a rotor wrapped in high-strength carbon fiber. This isn't a gimmick or a flashy marketing move. It's a highly functional, precision-engineered upgrade that elevates how electric power is delivered. Traditionally, EV motors rely on rotors made with materials like copper and steel. These have worked well enough for years, but face serious challenges at extreme speeds, namely thermal expansion and mechanical stress. Tesla's solution? Reinforce the rotor with a carbon fiber sleeve, creating a structure that's not only stronger, but also more stable under intense operating conditions. The carbon wrap allows the rotor to spin at over 20,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, which is significantly higher than the standard for most EV motors. This increase in RPM translates directly into better acceleration, with cars like the Model S Plaid achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, a feat previously reserved for hypercars. Speed isn't the only consideration in this technology. The other aspect is that carbon fiber is very lightweight, and this aids the total mass of the motor. The benefit of this mass is that it's better in terms of energy efficiency and helps weight distribution, providing better range and responsiveness to the vehicle. Because less energy is required to spin a lighter rotor, the rotor can consequently enable much faster acceleration without having to draw excessive power from the battery. So that is the win-win: increased performance and efficiency together. Essentially, this means that not only does everything operate with a greater speed than before, but also with less energy consumption and still achieve structural integrity under extreme forces. Another important advantage of the design is the ability to withstand thermal strain. In conventional motors, heat expansion can induce warpage or deterioration of parts over time. The carbon wrapping from Tesla compresses the rotor upon cooling, which creates a preloaded tension that keeps the rotor firmly in position against centrifugal forces even during very high speeds, as well as temperatures.